Hey guys, what's up? It's Kevin D here. Today I'm gonna be making a video about this and this. What is that? What, you might be like, Kevin D, what is this? It's a mini piece of paper, and I'm gonna make it like the Black Panther. So sorry it's ripped, but it's okay. You can make it like this, the Black Panther. You know it. If you know the Black Panther movie, you know this. You know this. Sorry, yeah, this. This is something from the Black Panther movie, like I said. It's something that's Black Panther, his suit is coming out, the spikes from his fingers. So today I'm gonna be showing you how to make this, and it's really fun. I hope you like this video, and let's get started. So let me just whip like that. Just do that. Just kidding. Just take this part of the piece of paper and this, make it like an envelope. Not the envelope, just like this, like I'm doing right here. Wait, did I say something? I did say something. Subscribe and leave a big fat like on the video. So, sorry, why did that come here? Move, you are not allowed here. Sorry. So yeah, please subscribe to the channel because it will give a lot of support and a lot of support and like a lot of videos. And if you can check, I have 25 subscribers. I want to get to 1,000 so I can make a video about my first play button, the silver one. So yeah, let's get started because I talk a lot story. So first, by the way, this is a bigger piece. The last one was bad. So like this. Wait, nope, bad boy. Like this. Let me just see here. Wait, like this. Yeah, okay, yeah, like that. And then you take this corner part, you put it like here, and this here, this here, like this, and the last one here. This might be small, but you can get a bigger piece of tiny paper and do the same thing. And wait. Yeah, okay, like this. And then what? Tell me. I'll tell you what. So, and then you take this part and be careful. When I did this, it's supposed to be here and take the corner, like I said, and we take this part, take this part here, here like that, and we take tape, and I don't know, you might have not tape, you might not have tape, that's what I've been trying to say. You might not have tape, but it's okay, it doesn't matter really. Just take anything sticky, not anything, just sticky stuff, do it like this. So yeah, it's like this. You take the tape, tape, I'm getting the tape. And you put it right on here. Yeah, like this. Yeah, so that's how you make it. That's how you make the mini spiky, I don't know what to call it. And if you know stuff to call it, sorry about the background noise. If you know stuff to call it, I'll open the comments for like 5 minutes, but it might close, so I'm sorry about that. It closed, but yeah. So like father and son, my little tiny son. And you can put it in your finger. But sorry, this is like what do I say? Smaller than my finger, but you can put this in like your pinky or your pinky finger. Like that, but it might fall off. But this is bigger, so yeah. And you can put this. Wait, this is tiny. This is really tiny. Like this. Spider-Man out. Wait, subscribe first, and then continue out. Bye.